Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Steam account on your computer, not your browser, on your computer. So let's go start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your Steam account on your computer, you'll be required to download this Steam app on your computer first, or the software on your computer. For that, I have already made a video which I'll leave the link on the description below. And after opening this one, you can see the Steam interface over here, and you can see either if you want to create a new account, you can click on create a new account. Now, to log into an existing account, you can see the login to an existing account available over here. Click on login to an existing account, and you'll be required to enter your account name over here or your email address over there. For me, it will be this one, and the password over here. And if you want the computer to remember your password, click on remember password, or if not, just unclick it and then click on login, and it will send you or the Steam guard will send you a computer authorization request on your email. So let's click on next, and let's open up our email. And on the first, you can see the Steam support over here, and here's the code. Let's copy paste the code over here. And on the authorization, let's paste the code over here, and let's click on next. And we have been authorized. Let's finish. And there, guys, we have successfully logged into our Steam on our computer. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And peace.